In Japan, nearly 100,000 people are over 100 years old. And what surprises researchers is not just how long they live, it's how functional they remain. While in Western countries, leg strength begins to decline rapidly after 50, Japanese seniors continue walking, climbing stairs, and getting up from the floor without assistance decades later. It's not genetics. It's what they do every morning. In this video, you will discover 5 Japanese martial arts stances that rebuild leg strength, balance, and stability in just 10 minutes a day, with no equipment and without leaving home. Stay until the end, because the second exercise is the most surprising, and one that almost no one outside Japan knows. Exercise 1, Kibadaki. The horse stance Kibadaki comes from Japanese martial arts and is considered the foundation of all physical strength, the stance from which all power originates. For judo and karate practitioners in Japan, no training session begins without it. And there is a scientific reason for that. The constant muscular tension this stance requires trains the legs to support the body for prolonged periods, exactly what real life demands when walking, shopping, or standing for longer durations. On the outside, it looks simple. On the inside, the quadriceps, glutes, adductors, and core work simultaneously in isometric contraction. No impact, no joint risk, and results that appear within days. Japanese exercise programs based on isometric postures like this have been identified as effective in activating the large leg muscles, promoting circulation, and improving muscular strength in older adults. To practice, stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Bend your knees and lower your hips as if sitting into a wide, invisible chair. Keep your torso completely upright, chest open, and weight evenly distributed between both feet. Start with 15 seconds. Rest 20 seconds. Repeat 3 times, gradually increasing to 60 seconds per set. Your thighs should work. Your joints should not hurt. This stance builds the deep foundational strength that supports every daily movement. Kibadaki trains strength with both feet on the ground. The next exercise challenges something completely different and far more subtle. Exercise 2, Neko-Ashi-Dachi, the cat stance. Neko-Ashi-Dachi, the cat stance, is one of the most underestimated movements in Japanese martial arts. The name comes from the way a cat positions itself before jumping, balanced, alert, ready to react in fractions of a second. And that is exactly the reaction system it trains in the human body. The feature that makes Neko-Ashi-Dachi unique is the asymmetrical weight distribution. 80 to 90% of the body weight rests on the back leg, while the front leg lightly touches the ground with only the ball of the foot. This distribution forces the supporting leg to work with constant intensity, activating the deep stabilizers of the ankle, knee, and hip, while the nervous system learns to maintain balance on a reduced and unstable base. It is neurological training disguised as a simple stance. To practice, stand in a natural position. Step your right foot back at a 45-degree angle, bending the right knee so that 80% of your weight rests on that leg. The left foot moves slightly forward and touches the ground only with the ball, knee slightly flexed without bearing weight. Keep your torso upright and shoulders aligned. Hold for 20 seconds on each side. Rest 15 seconds. Repeat twice per side. Over time, try closing your eyes for a few seconds while maintaining the stance, and immediately feel how much the nervous system must work to compensate for the absence of vision. Exercise 3, resting deep squat. Unlike Western cultures that rely almost exclusively on chairs, the Japanese frequently rest on the floor, using the deep squat as a natural resting position. This habit keeps leg muscles active, even during rest, strengthening thighs, glutes, and hips, while preserving joint mobility that sedentary living gradually eliminates year after year. What makes this movement so powerful for older adults is what it reactivates. Knees that have lost range, ankles that have stiffened, hips that have forgotten how to fully open. The deep squat does not just strengthen, it restores joint mobility that chairs have been silently closing off for decades. To practice, stand with feet shoulder-width apart and slowly lower your hips toward the floor. Keep your heels flat, chest lifted, and spine neutral. Use support if needed. Hold a chair or wall lightly with your fingertips. Hold for 20 seconds. Descend gently without forcing. Repeat 3 times. Over time, increase to 45 to 60 seconds per set and progressively reduce support. Breathe slowly and deeply while holding the position. Allow the muscles and joints to relax into the movement with each exhale. Exercise 4. One-leg balance. 1 in 3 adults over 65 falls at least once per year. And most of these falls do not happen due to lack of strength. They happen because the balance system failed. Standing on a single leg forces the body to activate dozens of stabilizing muscles in the ankles, knees, hips, and core, muscles rarely trained, but essential for reacting when the ground is uneven or when the body loses its base of support for a fraction of a second. Japanese researchers have identified one-leg balance with eyes open as one of the most reliable markers of physical aging, and one of the abilities that declines most with age when not directly trained. In Japan, older adults practice this movement while brushing their teeth, waiting for water to boil, or watching television, not because it is difficult, because it is daily. To practice, stand near a wall or chair. Shift your weight onto your left leg and slightly lift your right foot off the ground, knee gently bent, without tension. Fix your gaze on a point in front of you and breathe naturally. Hold for 15 seconds. Switch legs. Repeat 3 times per side. As a progression, try closing your eyes for 5 seconds while balancing. You will immediately notice how much the brain depends on vision to compensate for weaknesses in the vestibular system. Every degree less of support is the nervous system learning to work more autonomously. Exercise 5. Wallsit. The wallsit is the exercise that closes the routine and one of the most studied in Japanese longevity programs. With the back supported, the legs work at full intensity without unnecessary stress on the knees. It strengthens the quadriceps, glutes, and core, the muscles required to stand up from a chair, climb stairs, and maintain upright posture while walking. It is the safest and most efficient strength exercise available for people over 60. Researchers at Tohoku University tested a Japanese routine based on controlled squats with older adults. After 3 months of daily practice, participants increased knee extension strength by 25.9%, compared to only 2.5% in the group that did nothing. Knee extension strength is exactly what determines whether you can rise from any seat under your own control. To practice, stand with your back completely supported against a wall and your feet about 12 inches away from it. Slowly slide down until your thighs are close to parallel with the floor. Keep your knees aligned with your ankles and breathe normally. Start with 20 seconds. Rest 20 seconds. Repeat 3 times, gradually increasing to 60 seconds per set. You should feel the muscles working, not pain in the joints. With regular practice, everyday movements like getting up from a chair or climbing stairs become noticeably easier, and this improvement appears in days, not months. 5 stances, 10 minutes, every day. The Japanese do not treat movement as a task separate from life. They integrated it into each morning, and that is exactly the secret scientific data confirm. Strong legs are not about athletic performance. They are about freedom. Freedom to walk without fear, to stand up without pain, to live with independence in the years ahead. Start with the exercise that feels most accessible today. Just one. Write in the comments which one you will try first, and come back in 2 weeks to share what changed. If this video was helpful, leave a like and share it with someone close who also deserves to know this. See you in the next video.